Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well, guys. And I will be reacting to a movie song. This was requested and I have been told it's a really nice song. So yes, I'm all for it. Now this video was uploaded 8 years back. I don't know when the movie released. Actually, you can let me know if it's a 2012 release only or not. But this song is called, let me just pronounce it correctly, Adhalinte Arhangalil. That's the name of the song and it's from a movie, Ayalam Nyanam Tamil. That's the name of the film. And yeah, let's just check the song out. I'm really excited to listen to an old movie song which is supposed to be great as per you guys. Okay, here we go. Let's listen to this song. Oh, this has... Oh, the first frame is of Prithvi Raj. Okay. I'll share my Brahmam review soon. I know it's delayed, guys. I know it's delayed, but I watched it late, and you know, I'll share it. I'll share it. Ooh, he's in love. Who all viewers who are watching are in love right now? Let me know.
ആഴലിന്റെ ആഴങ്ങളിൽ അവൾ മാഞ്ഞുപോ നോവിന്റെ തീരങ്ങളിൽ ഞാൻ മാത്രമായി ആഴലിന്റെ ആഴങ്ങളിൽ അവൾ മാഞ്ഞുപോ നോവിന്റെ തീരങ്ങളിൽ ഞാൻ മാത്രമായി ഇരുൾ ജീവനെ പൊതിഞ്ഞു ചിതൽ പ്രാണനിൽ മേഞ്ഞു കിതയ്ക്കുന്നു നീ ശ്വാസമേ ആഴലിന്റെ ആഴങ്ങളിൽ അവൾ മാഞ്ഞു പോ നോവിന്റെ തീരങ്ങളിൽ ഞാൻ മാത്രമായി.
The audio is very good. Nice classical touch.
അവൾ മാഞ്ഞു പോ നോവിൻ്റെ തീരങ്ങളിൽ ഞാൻ മാത്രമാ ഇരുൾ ജീവനെ പുതിയ പ്രാണനിൽ മേഞ്ഞു കിതയ്ക്കുന്നു നീ ശ്വാസമേ അഴലിൻ്റെ ആഴങ്ങളിൽ അവൾ മാഞ്ഞു പോ നോവിൻ്റെ തീരങ്ങളിൽ ഞാൻ മാത്രമാ.
Nice. Ooh. I wish the video was clearer, but this was the first recommendation I got. I'll be really sad if there is a video which is, clearer than this. That'll be sad. But it's okay. Let me just stop this. It's actually a very beautiful song. The singer, wait, let me just, applaud the actual people who are behind this song. Sung by Nikhil Matthew. Yo, awesome. Lyrics, Vayalar Verma. Vayalar Sarat Chandra Verma. Fantastic. Okay, now let me stop this. You know what? I didn't understand it. I don't understand the language, but I got the feels. This is what I love about music, is that sometimes you just have to feel it. It's always better when you know the meaning and all, of course. That always helps to appreciate the lyrics more. But just the vibe and the feel, it's beautiful. And I could see from the visuals, because it's just like the audio quality was amazing. It sounds really great. I could clearly, listen to the beats and everything. But the video quality, of course, not that great. But I can still make out that the song has amazing visuals. Amazing visuals. I can see that. I can make it out. But of course, the viewing experience is not as great because of the, low quality of the video. But it's fine. It's the song that I'm here for. It's the song and the vocals that I'm here for. Nikhil Matthew, fantastic vocals. Fantastic vocals. Loved it. Loved it. Don't know what the context is. First, I thought it's like a romantic song. But looking at that, they are thinking about the past, both of them, and the girl is getting married. It could be a sad song also. So that too, you will only have to clarify. But just beautiful beats. The composition is so well done. There are very minute variations when it comes to the tal of the song, but it's still there. I could make out in the mukhra and the antra, there are minute variations, but it's beautifully mastered and mixed. Good. Thank you so much, guys. I was really looking for a nice movie song to add to my playlist, and this definitely gets added to the Regional Gems playlist. Because thank you. This is because of you guys only I found out about this song, and this is also a movie recommendation for me that I'm apparently it's a really nice film. So I'll probably will be watching it eventually. First, so let me give you the review of Brahmam. I'm not telling you if I liked it or not. Not on this video, it's gonna be in the next video. But do let me know, if you enjoyed Brahmam or not, or were you constantly comparing it with Andhadhund if you have watched Andhadhund. But fantastic song, definitely a beautiful, serene sort of vibe. But now I feel that this is a sad song, so that you clarify to me in the comments below. And yes, that was the reaction, guys. Thank you for introducing this song to me. Beautiful. It has a contemporary, what I really liked, it's not purely into the classical genre, and not purely a contemporary song also. It's a mix of both, and that's why I said that it has been mixed and mastered so well. So it's a fusion of both. It's having a flavor of both of these contemporary sort of beats as well as the classical beats. So yes, that was the reaction, and those were my thoughts on, once again, Arhalinte Arhangadil. That's how you pronounce it. So I hope I got the pronunciation correct now. almost. I'm pretty sure I'm not 100% correct. But yes, that was the reaction. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have come till the end of the video. I will be signing off now and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.